Alright guys, so before actually diving into showing you details on how you'll be able to get this free Forex no deposit bonus, firstly I want every single person to be aware that I am no longer in charge of this Telegram channel. To every YouTube subscriber, to every of my Twitter subscriber, to every of the WhatsApp subscribers, and also the Telegram subscribers, I want you guys to be aware that this Telegram channel has been hacked, so I am no longer in charge of every information posted in this Telegram channel, because the person in charge right now is actually sharing details that can actually expose your gadget to being hacked. So I want you guys to be aware that I am no longer in charge of the Telegram channel. And in case you are part of the members of the Telegram channel, I want you to just go straight to report the Telegram account, report the channel, so that the Telegram can actually help us take down the Telegram channel to prevent anyone being scammed. And also to the members of the YouTube channel, you are subscribed to the YouTube channel, kindly join the new Telegram which I actually created by clicking on the link you find in the comment section. And after you actually click on the link, it takes you to the new Telegram, and the new Telegram is where you'll be finding the link that will take you to the site where you'll be able to claim this free bonus which you'll be getting today. And also in my previous video, I actually explained that I'll be sharing some strategy which I actually did. I shared a video explaining the strategy which I've been using, and then we take a look at the running trade showing on the screen right here. You can see I've been making profits since I actually made details about the strategy. And in case you actually missed out on it, you can just check the Telegram channel. Also, I'll also be dropping the link to the video of the strategy, so you can actually go watch it and also actually backtest it once again. And also in today's video, the main purpose for the video is for you to actually claim a $15 free Forex and deposit bonus from Kato Prime. Now, once you click on the link you find in the comment section, it takes you to the Telegram channel, and don't forget to join the new Telegram channel. So once you join the Telegram channel, you click the link you find there, the link to the site named Kato Prime. Now, this is how you actually do it. You actually follow the steps I'll be showing. Now, immediately, in case you have an account with them already, you can just log in and then go straight to claiming the bonus. But in case you're actually new, just have to fill in your details into this section right here and sign up with them. Now, I don't know, it's not necessary you get verified before you can be able to get the bonus. All you just need to do right here is to see right here, there's a coupon code, and don't forget this bonus is going to be ending on the 5th, which is tomorrow. So you don't want to waste time. Once you see this video, just go straight following this process. Now, there's a coupon code which you just need to copy. Come to this section right here that says available promotion. Now, right here, you click on this icon that looks like gift, this bonus icon right here, and then it shows available promotion on the screen just like this. Now, you have the coupon code which you'll find in the site also. So you have the coupon code, and then you click on right here apply, that says apply. But before doing all this, I actually made a mistake also. Before actually doing this, you need to click on the three lines at the top. You see account, you click on it, and you see live account. So you click on live account, which means you're actually trying to create a live account. And once you click on it, it will bring you right here having details just like this. You just need to scroll up and you have to create a new account. Now, right here on the screen, you can see it says accounts. You click on you select MT5 for the account type, and also right here you select MT5 standard account, which means you are opening an MT5 standard account. Now, once the account is being created and you've gotten login details showing like this on your screen, and also in your email address, you will be sent login details for the MT5 account. Now, once you've gotten the login details, you now need to go back to this main menu right here to claim this bonus. Now, since you've gotten the login details, come back right here, then copy the coupon code, apply it into this box and click on apply, and immediately it will show under this section right here that the account where you actually want to receive the bonus into, which is the new account you just created. Now, then you click on this account, and then the account will be credited with the bonus. Now, I want everybody watching this video right now to give this video a like, which is very important. It helps you to push this video to more audience so that they can actually get notified that the Telegram channel has been hacked, so nobody gets scammed. Now, and if this is your first time of coming across this channel, I want you to subscribe to the channel and also give this video a like. Now, in case you are having any aspect of this video you don't understand, just leave a comment in the comment section and I'll be there to help you solve any issues you have. Now, since I've been credited with $15 deposit bonus, I just need to copy the login details and then take it to my MT5 to log in. Now, in case you go to your email, once you go to check in your email, you will have details just like this, showing the login password, the server, and the login account number which you'll be needing for MT5. Now, right here, you can see, just copy these details to my MT5, put in for the server, you just type in Kato. Once you type in Kato, the name will show up at the top, and then you select it. Now, right here, you just need to fill in the account number and the password. Now, and then you click on login, and you see you have the $15 right here showing on the screen without ease. And for the terms and conditions, you are allowed to withdraw any amount, any profit you make, but the capital will be void immediately after making your withdrawal. So I think this should be very easy for us to actually access, and anyone who don't understand, just reach out to me in the comment section and I'll help you solve it out. Have a nice day, everyone.